To assemble your LiteWay EuroFit straight wall, lay out your pieces on a clean, flat surface. Line up the numbers and using the push-down tab connections, start piecing together the frame. The two side poles are shock corded. Fold into place. Place the bottom of the side poles into the feet, again lining up the numbers to form those connections. Continue assembling the frame. Lastly, insert the center stabilizing bar. Your numbers should be lined up if you assembled your frame correctly. To attach the graphic, slide the open end over the top of the frame like you would a pillowcase. Pull down to the bottom of the frame, making adjustments as needed. And just like that, your LiteWay EuroFit straight wall is now ready for use.